Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo, minsan nakakatakot tong spot ETF. You need to be very mindful that institutions are very dangerous even in stock market. Tatalino yan. Ang trabaho po nila kumita ng pera. Yung mga institutions na yan, ang trabaho nila, they wanna enter and buy on a discount. So, palagay natin, wag nyong imi-misinterpret ang pagbaba ng price is because wala nang interest ang tao in Bitcoin. Pwedeng nangyayari dito is that pinapababa yung presyo ng Bitcoin para itong mga institutions na ito, mga damuhong institutions na to, they're gonna be buying Bitcoin. Okay? They're gonna be buying Bitcoin. Ang problema sa mga retailers, Kamiranda, is that hindi singlalim ng bulsa ng retailer ang bulsa ng mga institutions. So they can tolerate drawdowns, but a trader who's very aggressive, position themselves on a very high leverage without cut loss, o talong-talo ka talaga doon. Kasi itong mga institutions, they can actually tolerate drawdown. Already, no, have that appetite to buy Bitcoin. Pero even on institutions, may mga paraan yung mga yan para i-manipulate